So guys, this is a 2014 Dodge Charger 5.7 Hemi with an X-pipe. Still got regular factory cats, but everything else is straight pipe with an X-pipe. But it's 2 1/4. He wants a deeper tone, so we're gonna cut everything off and run 2 1/2 all the way back. Right now it's 2 1/4, okay? This is what it sounds like before with 2 1/4. See how deep it is? It's not deep enough. Give it gas. Again. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. So it's right at 110, but it's not throaty. It's not deep. And he wants it more throaty and deep.
Pause. Goodness me.
We're also going to put him new tips, as you guys can see right there and right there, okay? So stay tuned, guys. I'll show you the undercarriage next. All right, so on this Charger, 5.7 Hemi, 14, really clean. So it's got the factory cats. We're gonna do those next time. I'm gonna put up some high flows in their place. You see how small the pipe is all the way across? So we're gonna cut that off and make it all 2 1/2. And we're gonna eliminate the X pipe because he wants as loud as possible. Said, we got you. So you can see it's all 2 1/4. We're gonna make it 2 1/2. Stay tuned. As you guys can see, the beast is done. Sexy Hemi. Hemi, babe. 2014 Dodge Charger 5.7 Hemi. There's Jared just chilling in the corner, waiting for me to finish. Anyways, let me show you guys what we done to it. He's bringing it back next week for high flow, so we'll do an updated video then, hopefully. But we did true duals all the way back 2 1/2, as you guys can see, out the back on each side. And then we finished it off with 3-inch dual tips right there and right there. Yeah, clean, very nice. And there's the system that was on it that we cut off. So we did a mid and a rear delete in the past, but he wanted it louder, so we took all that off, even the X pipe, to make it sound fancy. Stay tuned. Already sounds better with that. See that? Now it's got a nice idle to it. It's loud. Here's idle. Go ahead. $121, bro. That's insane. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. 122. It keeps climbing. Again. Headers and high flow cats? Yeah. Oh my god, it's gonna be insane. That's a perfect wheel setup on it. I like it. So definitely this pipe size makes a huge difference, as you guys can see. 2 1/2 is the way to go on these. 3-inch is even deeper, but it won't pop as much. He wanted it to pop more. We're like, 2 1/2 is the right. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. What should we call her? Get a name for her, guys. What should we call her? He doesn't have a name. It's all murdered out, got red eyes. I don't know. What's a good name, you think? Charger. Let's see the takeoff. It's definitely a lot louder. Those tips fit it perfectly. Oh, beast mode! Heavy, heavy! Yeah, this sounds good. I like it. Heavy, heavy, baby. Enjoy it, guys.